Hi guys. So I'm sitting at Cubbon Park and I thought this would be the best location to talk about sustainable fashion. So I've made like 5 points here to talk about. So let me start. The first one. So for every girl, at least 90% of us, we know that every time we open our wardrobe, we always struggle to find the right thing to wear. So that's why I made this topic as shop your own closet. So I understand that all of us just go by the trend and pick up what's trending, but I think the right way to look at it is to invest in the right basics. So check this out for a basic. If you have the right basic, remember that you can always reuse, restyle, etc. You can try some of this option here to see how it works out for you. So do shop your closet and invest less in trends and more in something that would work out for multiple outfits. Second, mid-season sale. All these fast fashion brand have sales, so much so a lot of sustainable brands also, until unless it's not a necessity, do not fall for the sale marketing creatives. Do not. Sale is just another marketing gimmick. You don't need those things that's in the sale. Let me tell you this loud and clear. I've done that for about 14 years now, but I think I've learned my mistakes now and I don't fall for sale until and unless I've bookmarked something for over 6 months and finally that's on sale at a lesser cost. That's when I pick it up. The best thing to do is to delay your purchase. I know a lot of people have this meme going around that women put a lot of things in their basket and leave it. First thing, that's because in case there is a lower price, then it makes sense to purchase it because it's there for a long time. Now, here comes the impulse buying. The moment you impulse buy, you know that it goes to the basket and directly to your invoicing. So, in case if you keep it in the basket and think about it for 2 3 days, you realize that it was not very important for you to purchase it. It's a psychological thing, I feel, but it worked out for me, and I'm sure it'll work out for you. So, if you think you really like it, let it be in the basket for about 2 3 days and then come back to it and see if it's worth the buy or not. The fourth one being care and maintenance of a good fabric is very important. You don't want to keep purchasing the same thing over and over again. That's why you have tailors, you have people who mend things, who mend clothes. So try that out. You can always repurpose an old sari or old kurta to a top, a skirt to a bag. So you have Pinterest, you have the World Wide Web to figure out the things that could work out for you. So try your level best to reduce the landfill when it comes to textile and reuse and repurpose everything that you have in your wardrobe, and you will enjoy doing that. Even your mother's wardrobe, your sister's wardrobe, your friend's wardrobe, whatever it is, if not for repurposing, try doing an exchange and you will love it. Pick up fabric from a wholesale market and go to a good tailor. I have replicas of the outfit I want from the existing wardrobe choices I have, and I share that with the tailor and he replicates it with the kind of design I want. Now, if I need a new design, I'll have to invest more in a better tailor. Your local tailor will be able to replicate what you have already given them as a design, but maybe not so much for a new design. So you can do the trial and error over the time and understand what you need and what kind of tailor you're looking for. Last but not the least, so when it comes to sustainable fashion, I know that you see multiple brands charging like really high. They have their set of labor laws, they have their set of textiles rules and regulation. how much they use their water, the number of threads, etc. Not all sustainable brands are really sustainable. Let me burst that bubble. Just because it's priced at a high cost, it's not sustainable. And if you are still impulse buying from a sustainable brand on a regular basis, that doesn't make a conscious choice as well. So remember that and think about your purchases, and read more about the brands that you are investing in. Four more points before I close this video. Wear more, wash less, repair before replacing it, shop second-hand as thrift, you'll find some gold. Choose quality over natural fibers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. अब आ ही जाओ.
वीडियो शूट कर रही है वो अपने ब्लॉग के लिए अभी.
इसको देखो.
अरे यहाँ पे वीडियो ऐसे उतार लो कैमरा.
Do not. The fourth one being, and also, so sale.
ये अच्छा एक्टिंग अच्छा चल रहा है यहाँ पे. शूटिंग अच्छा चल रहा है.
क्या चल रहा है?
इन लोगों का शूटिंग चल रहा है. ओए
So sale is, अरे यार.